Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
So, can you describe Shina Peters in one word?
Amazing.
Okay, fine. All right, so what's your relationship with Shina Peters?
He's a father figure. He's an amazing friend, old friend. I've known him for a long time. He's very loyal. Just a very kind person.
Okay. So, of all his tracks, which do you like the best? Like, which is your favorite?
Is there anyone you know? I mean, what? Shina Mania, Ace. Where do I start from? I mean, all of them. I used to win in secondary school. I used to do his beats. You know that? I used to do that to win Garri.
Okay. All right. So, can you just sing a part of any song, any of the song, you know? Anyone, just.
777 is a number. Oluwa Shina. Alasi Jewo.
Alright, so what are your wishes for him on his 60th birthday?
Oh, we wish him love. We want him to know that we love him. When he came from my party and he performed, I thought, you know, a lot of young people would have lost touch, but a lot of people said he was the highlight of the night for them. He was mine, you know, and a lot of people were like very impressed that I brought him. That was even the first time I loosened up and had fun on my own birthday. People really love him. A lot of people from generations, you know, even the new generation are learning about him. So he's evergreen. He's evergreen. His songs, we play them today, and my kids that don't really know him listen and are like, oh, that's good. That's really cool. And to think that his album is not like track 1, track 2. It just keeps going. It's almost like an hour of music, and you don't have any dull moment. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching our video. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gwa TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.